Hey everyone, welcome back in tutorial. Are you tired of Spotify slowing down? Are you using up too much storage space on your device? Well, you are in luck because today I am going to show you how to clear the cache in a Spotify without losing any of your precious data. So why we need to clear the cache in a Spotify? Well, over time Spotify store a lot of temporary data on your device like album, arts, playlist and other stuff. This data can take up lot of space and slow down the app. Clearing the cache help to remove all the unnecessary data and make Spotify run faster and more smoothly. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your Spotify application on your mobile device. Now you can see your page of Spotify. If you are not logged in this, go and check my YouTube channel. I made one video on that, how to create a Spotify account. So let's get start this video. In this you can see that setting icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. Now scroll down and search for cache. Yeah, here you can see that remove all download data. If you have downloaded any kinds of data like music whatever, then you can remove all this. But we are here to clear the cache, so tap on that option. Now you can see here clear cache option. Tap on that. After that, now you can see that every cache is clear on your Spotify, and that's it. You are successfully clear the cache in a Spotify without losing any data. Your app should now be running faster and more smoothly. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.